Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy stocks on Etoro. So let's get started. Once your account is funded, you can start with trading stocks on Etoro. You can either buy a stock or short it, depending on how you believe the market is going to behave moving forward. In this guide, we'll be showing a straightforward example of buying Unilever, ULVR, stock. Head over to the search bar on the top of the Etoro interface and type in the name or the ticker of the stock you wish to buy, in this case Unilever. In addition to the price chart, you will also be able to find key information about the stock, including balance sheet, income statements, and more. For some stocks, research is also provided. Click the Trade button to place your order for ULVR stock. Now, a window will open where we can tweak all the parameters of our trade. In this example, we're going to invest $1,000. By switching between trade and order on the top right, you can either buy the stock at the current best available price or specify the exact price at which you want to buy the stock. We'll keep it at trade, as it's the fastest and simplest way. Under amount, we'll set the amount that we wish to invest, in this case, $1,000. Below, we can see what percentage of our total equity we are using. In the section on the bottom, you can set your stop loss, leverage, and take profit levels. Stop losses are used to define the maximum loss you're willing to take in the trade, while take profits are used to realize gains by automatically closing the position once it reaches a specified value above our entry price. As far as the leverage is concerned, we'll be keeping it at 1x, as higher leverage would introduce additional risks to our trade. After you click Open Trade, your order will be submitted, and your trade should be executed shortly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to buy stocks on Etoro. I hope this video helped you. If you found this tutorial useful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.